Understanding Weld Decay, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that's not just common in engineering but also offers a great example of how English words can combine to form specialized meanings. We're diving into the phrase, weld decay. If you're ready to expand your technical vocabulary, let's get started. Weld decay is a term that specifically refers to the corrosion of stainless steel around welded areas. When stainless steel is heated during the welding process, it can become susceptible to corrosion if not treated properly. This is crucial in fields like manufacturing and construction, where the integrity of metal joins is vital. To fully understand weld decay, let's break it down. Weld. This part of the phrase refers to the joining of two metal parts by melting them together with intense heat. Decay. This usually means the process of rotting or deterioration over time. When combined, weld decay describes the deterioration that occurs at or near the welded joints of metals, specifically stainless steel. Weld decay occurs due to a phenomenon known as sensitization, which happens when the temperatures during welding cause chromium carbides to form along the grain boundaries of the steel. This depletes the chromium content, which is essential for corrosion resistance, leading to decay around the welded areas. Preventing weld decay is essential in industries that rely on the durability of metal structures. Techniques to prevent weld decay include using low-carbon stainless steel materials, applying proper post-weld heat treatment, using welding techniques that minimize heat input. Understanding these methods is important for professionals in relevant fields to maintain the quality and longevity of their metal works. That's all on weld decay for now. I hope this explanation helps clear up what this term means and why it's significant in certain fields. Stay curious, and keep learning new things every day. See you in the next video.